In this video, I will show you how to recreate this Houston Kold animation in After Effects. A lot of you have been asking for this, and I thought, why not just go for it? And like always, you can download all the assets in the link down below for free. Now let's just jump into it. First, I created these photos. Now, I used Leonardo AI to make them. But you can simply use them as they are going to be in the description. Now, as you can see, we are in After Effects, and the first thing I did was I created a new composition and added this photo that I created earlier. Then I wrote attention, changed the text red, and put it in the middle of the screen. Then I opened Animation Composer 3 and selected this animation, and this is actually the same one that he used in his video. After that, I made both of this layers 3D and created a new camera. Then I made it a bit unzoomed at the beginning, and then a few seconds in, I made it something like this. Then I eased them and made the graph something like this. After that, I selected the pen tool and made this shape with the red fill and no stroke. Then I duplicated it and made them appear as the camera unzooms. Then I wrote this and again made it appear as this red lines. Then I added this guy, made 5 of them, but made the first guy in front of everyone. Then I added this X's to the guys behind, but I wasn't very happy with how they looked. So I changed their brightness and added the same effect to everyone. Then I duplicated the red things and added blur to the duplicated ones to get this really nice glow effect. Then I added this image of clouds and added color key to it. So I made a big hole at the middle. So as the camera unzooms, it comes over the whole screen. After that, I added this text, made it 3D so it appears as the clouds, and then added hue and saturation to make the colors better. Then I made the whole camera unzoom. Then I added this photo again, made it 3D, adjusted the position so as the camera unzooms, they appear. Then I added this text and put it in front of the guys. After that, I duplicated the guys, added tint to the second image, made it all red, turned the opacity down, and that was pretty much it. This is what I came up with. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.